$40,823.35. That is the price of Bitcoin as of the time of filming this video, down massively from its 64,000 all-time high. Up a little bit because we did have a huge price drop earlier this morning. I'm going to tell you about that in a second, but you know, people are freaking out and it's understandable. I got this article here from CoinDesk. Check this out. Extreme fear grips Bitcoin market after price plunge, sentiment gauge shows, okay? And they're using the scream, that impressionist painting. But actually, let's actually have a look at the chart this morning from CoinDesk, because we did have this huge drop down to $30,000. Have a look at that 24-hour low, $30,000. That's more than halved in value since the all-time high of $64,000 that we had a few weeks ago. As of the time, well, when I took this screenshot, we were up to $37,000, and now we're up to over $40,000. So, you know, I mean, we're definitely up a little bit since that drop earlier this morning, but that was crazy. Now, a lot of people, a lot of commentators online, many YouTube channels that I do respect a lot, have, you know, issued sort of price predictions about Bitcoin, how low will it go, and many of them have been broken through, okay? One guy who I do respect a lot the other day was talking about a 43,000 resistance level for Bitcoin. He was saying if it gets to 43,000 and he starts to notice a turnaround, he's going to buy then, all right? And 43,000 has come and gone, and we've gone all the way down to 30,000, and we're hovering around 40,000 right now. So a lot of people have issued price predictions on Bitcoin, and really just people don't really know what they're talking about. Even the people who do know what they're talking about, a lot of them admit that they don't really know. You know what I mean? Anyway, I want to take a different approach today, and I want to give you some figures on how much Bitcoin could drop that are gonna scare you, all right? But stick around to find out, because this is actually, it could help you with your investing and with actually finding the bottom, okay? So I'm gonna give you some information based off of the Bitcoin all-time high, which it was then, and then price trough back in 2017 and 2018, all right? So let's have a look at this chart that I prepared earlier. So this is the, you got 19,783. That is what was the all-time high at that time in December 2017, okay? That was the peak of Bitcoin at that time. Then Bitcoin started to drop and it entered a bear market, and it dropped all the way down until 3,254 approximately 1 year later, okay? And let me just give a disclaimer, these figures as well. It depends where you get them from, okay? It depends, you know, the 19,783 all-time high. I think it did dip above 20,000, but it didn't close above 20,000. I don't know. It depends which, you know, exchange you're looking at as well. So just in case you've seen slightly different figures, just take this as an approximate. So you had approximately 1 year from that all-time high down to its low of just above $3,000, guys, okay? 1 year, that's a long time, all right? So if you're thinking, hey, how long's this, you know, Bitcoin bear market gonna last? Well, if you look back to 2017, 2018, the bear market actually lasted a whole year. And then once we start building back up again, okay, so from basically the beginning of 2019, it took a year and 9 months, okay, a year and 9 months for Bitcoin to surpass its previous high, okay, just around $20,000, and that was the end of last year. And then we've had an absolute stratospheric rise. I haven't included it on the chart, but all the way up to $64,000. It's pretty similar to the way Bitcoin rose in 2017, okay? It sort of rose steadily throughout the year, and then towards the end of the year, coming into fall, it just shot up huge, guys, followed by a huge drop. Okay, so now I'm going to give you some figures that that may scare you. All right, let's have a look at this. So if we look at the 2017 to 2018 price drop, it goes from 19,000 all the way down to 3,000. That's an 83.5% drop. Now, if we apply that, and this is just hypothetical because it may not be that way this time, okay? The market conditions are different, but hypothetically, if we apply that to 2021, and we apply an 83.5% drop, we're going from 64,000 all the way down to $10,696. $10,000, guys, $10,000 Bitcoin. So if you invested up in the 50,000, 60,000, you're screwed, okay? Well, you're screwed on paper. I don't want to scare anyone and, you know, pressure anyone into selling, okay? Because, you know, you got to have diamond hands. These things do go up. And from that, even though there's bad news, like potentially, you know, if you're basing it off of the 2017 figures, Bitcoin really could go down to $10,000. But the good news is it really could come back, okay? You saw that, a year and 9 months to break through the previous all-time high. So let's say, you know, a few months time, let's say by the end of the summer, Bitcoin reaches its low, okay? Maybe it'll be a year and 9 months, maybe it'll be quicker because market conditions have changed. You've also got a lot more institutions holding Bitcoin, like Tesla with its $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, I think it was, and Elon Musk actually, he just tweeted out today or yesterday, Tesla has diamond hands, implying that basically, you know, they're not going to sell their Bitcoin, all right? So with more institutions holding Bitcoin, I think it will actually have a stabilizing effect. And I'm guessing that we're not going to see a drop all the way down to that 10,000 level comparable with a 2017, 2018 drop, okay? That's just an opinion, just a guess. Really, in reality, I do not know, okay? I'm just trying to put it in perspective with you guys and showing you what could happen. Now, if it drops all the way to 10,000, wow, it's buying season, man. I mean, I'm going to probably put like 100 grand in it or something. No, whatever, we'll decide at the time. Basically though, now I've already started dollar cost averaging in. So when I saw Bitcoin down in the 30s, I started investing little bits of money here and there to kind of get a good average price. If it goes down further, I'll invest even more, okay? So this video really, guys, just to summarize, that's how much it could drop based on 2017, 2018. Will it do that? I don't know, no one knows. Maybe we hit the bottom this morning at 30,000 and it's gonna go up from here. Who knows? But just to put it in perspective, you know, always try to buy low, sell high, always buy the dips, dollar cost average your way in, and don't buy at all-time highs. Those are my top tips. And you know, with the prices a bit lower on Bitcoin and all of the cryptocurrencies right now, it's actually a great time to get in to, you know, investing in crypto. Of course, don't put your life savings in it. If you ask me, I have only about 10% of my money in cryptocurrency, okay? About 10% of my net worth. And actually, that's just my liquid net worth, not including properties and stuff like that. If you include that stuff, it's even less. But it is a great time to get in, start getting your feet wet in investing in crypto. If you want to do that, we've got a few apps you can use. Coinbase, you can get $10 worth of free Bitcoin if you invest $100 in any crypto, okay, using my link below. Then you've also got Robinhood, where you can buy Bitcoin, you can buy Dogecoin, you can get free stock if you use my link to sign up. And Webull, you can get 2 free stocks, and through Webull you can invest not only in the stock market, but also in Bitcoin and in Dogecoin and a few other cryptos. So if you're interested in investing, all those links are down below. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.